student from Government Arts College Nanded and Department of Rog Nidan, and my guide Dr. D.K. Puri and my HOD Dr. Saleh sir. Now my topic of power presentation is to study the efficacy of Punarnavi Tel Matra Basti in the management of Vata Hruday Roga. Now introduction. The heart is become more and more vulnerable to degenerate with the result that cardiac disorder have become one among the major killers of present day in developed and developing country. The cardiovascular disease described in Ayurveda under Hruday Roga, the classification of Hruday Roga and many of the symptoms described in Ayurveda, Vata Hruday is one of them. It's being diagnosed in Ayurveda text from sign and symptoms like Rushul, that means chest pain, Rudra, that means palpitation, Sasauroda, dyspnea, and Vafetu, that means tremor. The Basti Karma is one of the most important and frequently procedure of Panchakarma for alleviating of Vata dosha. The Basti Chikitsa is the more therapeutic effect than other type of the treatments that are used to cure the various chronic illness. My aims and objective is to study the efficacy of Punarnavi Tel Matra Basti in Vata Hruday Roga and to study the conceptual aspect of Basti Karma through Ayurvedic literature. Materials and methods. Inclusion criteria: the patient between 20 to 60 years, age irrespective of sex, patient having symptoms of Vata Hruday like Rushul, that means chest pain, Rudra, palpitation, dyspnea, were selected from IPD and OPD of Government Arts College Nanded. The patient without complication grade 1 to 3. And exclusive criteria is the patient with age below 20 years and about 60 years, the patient with diabetic, CVA, obesity, asthma, rheumatic arthritis, etc. The patient receiving any other treatment for cardiac disorder, the patient having anatomical deformity or any congenital deformity of heart, patient with severe condition and complication, grade 4. Now materials, the drug choose for my topic is Tiltela, and contents of Punarnavi Tela is a Bilva Kola, Kulatha, Bruti, Rasna, Devdaru, Shalaparni, Kantakari, Yava, Punarnava, and Pushnaparni, and Gokshur. The materials is apparatus, metal glass syringe, rubber catheter, and measuring glass. Methods: patient were treated under two groups. Group A, that means experimental group, 30 patients were administered the Matra Basti of Punarnavi Tela, and B group, a control group, 30 patients on placebo treatment. Experimental group, 30 patients were selected, and these pathological investigation like HB, TLC, DLC, ESR, BSL, urine routine examination has been done. Control group is also examined clinically and pathologically for victims as of Vata Hruday Roga, and placebo was administered to them for 11 days. Assessment parameters: the reference of from Charak Sutra Sthana, the signs and symptoms of Vata Hruday Roga were assessed before and after treatment in both groups. Primary symptoms is Rushul, that means chest pain, Rudra, palpitation, and Swasarod, that means dyspnea. The associated symptom is the Soka, Bhaya, Vafetu, Moha, and that means giddiness, Sabdasnidra, that means interference of sound, and Alpanidrita, loss of sleep, were assessed. Gradation of symptoms: grade 1, patient with cardiac disease but without resulting limitation of physical activity. Grade 2, patient with cardiac disease resulting in slight limitation of physical activity. Grade 3, patient with cardiac disease resulting in marked limitation of physical activity. They are comfortable at rest, less than ordinary physical activity, cause anginal pain. Grade 4, patient with cardiac disease resulting in inability to carry out any physical activity without discomfort. Symptoms are present at even the rest. If any physical activity is undertaken, discomfort is increased. The preparation of drug, the reference is from the Ashtanga Chikitsa, Rudra Chikitsa. The Dravya Guna Karma of all the drugs of Punarnavi Tela is maximally Vata Kafagna, also of Pitagna. The preparation of drug, the picture shows the preparation of Punarnavi drug. This is a formation of Punarnavi Kata, Punarnavi Taila Shuddhi, and the Punarnavi Tel preparation. Modality of treatment: metal glass syringe is used as a Basti Putaka, and simple rubber catheter is used as a Basti Netra. About 60 ml of lukewarm Punarnavi Taila is taken in the metal syringe with the help of measuring glass. After deep inspiration, Matra Basti is given to the patient as per the standard procedure. Duration and time: 11 days, and there is no specific time for Matra Basti, but it is given after the passing of stool and urine in morning. Dose is 60 ml per day. Observation result: according to sex, in present study, the maximum patient of Hruday Roga was found in age group 40 to 58, that means 41.67%. And according to sex, male patient, that means 73.33% were more prone to Hruday Roga than female. Assessment of symptoms in experimental group: the present study show the significant improvement in the symptoms of patient P less than 0.05 by the PET test. This suggests that the Purnavatel Matrabasti is the efficacy in Mata Charudrova. Assessment of symptom in control group. The present study show no significant improvement in the symptoms was observed in the control group. P is greater than 0.05. The statistical difference observed in assessment symptoms due to treatment. The observed scale value that greater than the expected value in this chart. Difference in symptomatic Shoka is significant. Also in symptoms of Bhaya is also significant. The difference in the symptoms of Vafetu is also significant. And in symptoms of Moha is not significant. And the symptoms of Sabdashnita is significant. And the symptoms of Alpanidrata is insignificant. The discussion on this topic, the patient of Vata of all the age group, maximum number of above 40 years due to the predominance of Vata in old age, where the male more prone to Vata than female. Rushul, chest pain. Study of symptoms Rushul reveals that the difference observed in 30 patients in experimental group was scientifically significant. The observed difference in control group of 30 patients is not statistically significant. Basti, the best treatment of the alerting Vata dosha. The integrant of Punatela are Shotagna, Vatagna and the Balya, Ushnaviri and proceed with the Tilatela, which is of the Shukshma Guna. The main site of the Vata is the Pakwashaya and the Basti is administered in the Pakwashaya, help in the controlling the vitiated Vata and thus the help in the relieving of the Rushula. Rudra, that means palpitation, the variation of Vanamayu by the Chelaguna increase the heart rate, cause palpitation, also Kaphashaya and Vata Prokopa in Urasthana, that means chest, lead to Rudrava. Thus Punarnavaitel Basti helps in the breaking Samprapti, useful in relieving Rudrava. Swasarod, that means dyspnea, the symptoms of Swasarod in experimental group statistically significant, P is less than 0.05 due to control of vitiated Vata in the Purnavadi Basti leading by the breaking of Samprapti. This strongly suggests that the Purnavadi Matra Basti in the highly effective is relieving the symptoms like Rushul, Rudro and Swasharoda. Now experimental group, you show this chart shows the most of the Shoka Bhaya Vafetu symptoms are very much significantly show, and in control group this is not significant. The conclusion that in that the relief of symptoms in experimental group was statistically significant. Punavadi Matra Basti efficacy in Vata Zirudoga. There was no relief in symptoms of Rushul, Rudra, Swasarod in control group. Both of the groups showed relief in psychological symptoms like Shoka and Bhaya. According to Ayurveda, the Rudra is the site of mind, intelligence and spirit. Hence the treatment also include counseling, reassurance and to the patient. So both of groups showed the relief in psychological symptoms like Shoka and Bhaya, etc. Though any adverse effect was observed in experimental group due to the Matra Basti of Punarnavadi Taila, the symptoms like Alpanidrata and the Shabdasnita were not relieved, and 4 patients did not respond to treatment with the symptoms of the Rushul, Rudra and Swasaroda. This may be due to the insufficient number of days of Matra Basti. Further evaluation necessary by admission of Basti in long term. Now thank you. These references are there, and thank you very much all of you.